talking about? Oh, my God.
Folks, the Honorable Shelly and Frazer-Pryce, one of the most enduring track athletes in history, 8-time Olympic medalist, the only sprinter to win 5 world titles in the World Athletics Championships, 100 meters, founder of the Pocket Rocket Foundation, and of course, mother to son Zion. And the founder of the Pocket Rocket Foundation is the reason she's...
No, the interview done because after all of that. Jesus Christ.
Morning.
Madam, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
We can't complain. Give thanks. Great to have you with us.
Thank you.
When did you start to think about giving back? When did that come about?
That came about, I think, 2012. I must say, though, I am part of a community that's always doing outreach. So I'm from Waterhouse. I belong to the Penwood Church of Christ. We've always been known to do outreach. So that was always a part of, who I was as a young girl growing up. And then being in an environment where I constantly had help, standing on shoulders of other women or men who saw that I needed the help. So it was almost like it was innate for me. And 2012 going into 2013, it was just at the forefront of my mind, like, this is what I need to do. I believe from a community point, there are so many young people in the community that need help. And I've always seen it where, Lord, I need help, this person needs help, and we just need more persons to be of service to that. So I would like to think it was always there.
Well, you are an enterprising young lady. From school days, you were entrepreneur in it. You were selling things and...
Big up, woman.
You had your own shop.
Can I tell you?
You had your own wares. Now you're a businesswoman in a different way, and so you're more equipped to be able to make a huge impact.
Yeah.
So tell us how those 10 years have gone. You're looking back, I can't believe it's 10 years already.
Listen, I'm telling you, I am blessed, I think, and we are blessed as a foundation to have had 10 years or a decade of difference, impacting communities, impacting student athletes, and fueling and enriching their lives. And I think it has been the highlight of everything that I've been able to do over the course of my career, because so far we've been able to assist 73 student athletes.
Wow.
And to me, I think it's huge, and I'm not just talking about track athletes. I'm talking about athletes in sports, and communities. From when you talk about connectivity, thanks to digital, we were able to do internet, kind of like an internet cafe down at the resource center that was named in my honor in Waterhouse.
Congrats on that.
Yeah, thank you. We've been able to have our Peace Through Sports initiative. That's with our six-a-sides football competition. And you talk about the breakfast program that we just started, the Rocket Start breakfast program with Grace Kennedy. And for me, I think when I look at everything and the sum of all that we've been able to accomplish at the foundation, it gives me pride, because I don't think I am able to do that on my own. It takes cash to care.
Yes.
It also takes time to care. And for me, being able to have sponsors that continue to, at the same time, pivot with us and help us to reach this 10-year and also adding more promise to what we're going to do in the future, for me, it's big. And I have to give God thanks for that, because I think for me, I've said it earlier when we were doing our handover, I said, the funny thing is there are a lot of foundations that exist, and a lot of them haven't gone to 10 years for different reasons, because of economic climate, all of it. But we've been able to sustain what we've been doing over the years, and I'm really, really grateful for that.
Very humble just now. The Penwood Church of Christ Early Childhood Institution is now the Shelly and Frazer-Pryce Early Childhood Institution. Simone said congrats, and you kind of just move on.
That's how she do it.
That is huge.
Thank you.
It's huge. And by your own story, coming from where you are, it is even bigger.
It is. It is.
How that make you feel?
I said I'm a daughter of the soil, and I think I mean that in every sense of the word, because Jamaica, sure, on a broader scale, but Waterhouse made me. You know what I mean? Waterhouse is responsible for who I am as a person and as an athlete, because I started at the Penwood Early Childhood Institution. When I was there, it was inside the church at that point. I can still remember us being on the right side inside the church, separated by a board. And it was a lot of us. And for some strange reason, I always stood out in school because my uniform was supposed to be dark blue and it was light blue. I can still remember the Chinese bombs walking from Ashoka Road to Penwood Road to get to school, and I was always running. And
No
I
kidding.
I can still hear
Shelly.
I can still hear the young men on the corner at the wholesale saying, Gracie daughter, or them calling me Merlin, or, you know, it was that, and it's all of this, or all of that.
You run left me in our community, you know, Shelly. Shelly, you never have forgotten about it.
We have a fun thing for you, but
Okay.
before that, you just said Waterhouse made you.
Yeah.
I would like to think that were it not in you,
Yeah.
them couldn't bring it out. It was always in you.
That's true,
So
but...
even though I understand what you said.
Yeah, it was in me, I must say it was in me, but I'm grateful that a lot of other persons saw that and helped me pull that out.
We don't have
You know?
time. Pick one and answer.
A quick one?
An answer. Anyone.
Now what kind of question in here, never?
Let's see.
All right.
Let's see.
Yeah, Pep question.
Pep. What's one thing you want to do in life that you haven't done yet? Okay, what haven't I done yet?
Dum, bum, dum, 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 dum,
She do everything already.
No, that's not, I don't do everything. What I don't do, I probably want to go in one of them hot air balloon there. I'm afraid of height, you know.
Sugar,
but
do you want to do that?
I really want to do
On your own.
Let me try another one.
Yeah.
All right, one of them.
All right, last one, because we have to go to news here.
Picture this. You are coming on stage at the gala. What would your entrance theme song be? Okay, what would my song be?
Walking trophy.
No, yeah, I like that song there too, but right now, I actually listen Friday. And I'm going to tell you what I like, which song I like. Lord Jesus, I don't remember the song. When I come back, I tell you.
We have to go to news. Great to see you. Thanks for
Come
coming.
back for 3 numbers.
Thanks for coming.
I finish?
Yeah, we have to go to news.
Breaking news? How I go on? How I go on? That.
She should stay. Can she stay?
Yeah. She's the founder of the Pocket Rocket Foundation.
I do it,
And Olympian. We can speak with her after the news if you want to hang
Yay.
around.
Okay.
All right.
Second
What,
edition
think about the tune.
5.
In the meantime. Okay.
All right, so Mrs. Frazer-Pryce is still with us, and we have more questions for her. Thanks for staying. But before the questions, when is your gala?
Okay, so the gala is on November the 4th, starting at 6:30 at the AC Hotel. And this is where we'll be celebrating the past, the future, and the present of the foundation, all the work that we've been able to accomplish with our sponsors.
So, what, anyone invited or it's just...
Yes, I'm inviting you, so I'll be
it's a
sent.
special invitation?
Yeah, it's a special invitation.
I'm inviting you.
No,
Shelly, don't feel no pressure, Shelly.
No, I'm invited, Neville.
No, I asked if it was open to the public.
No, so we actually sent out all our invitations, and so we're waiting for a lot of persons to confirm, but we've also had a lot of persons confirm.
Okay.
We're trying to fill 30 tables of 10, and we will also have a silent auction. So if you want to have a nice memorabilia from, who knows, you know, a footballer or a track athlete or something.
You're well connected.
You can come, but yeah,
Back
we're
to the
definitely
questions
looking to
now,
raise
Mama.
some.
She never answered the last question. Did you find a tune?
Yes.
Come Too Far is your tune?
Come Too Far is my
Friday?
tune by Friday, and also Mercy with Byron.
All right.
Byron Messiah.
Where you find the music, your playlist music?
Honestly, I don't know. It's always random. I'm always on YouTube.
What's
and
really good
yeah.
tracks that you select? Okay.
What's something new you've learned about yourself in the last 3 months? I'm actually very shy.
Shelly, that's not new. I've heard you say that in numerous speeches.
Yeah,
that it was
no,
not
like,
till you
I'm
started
really,
your
really
great
shy.
You
channels.
don't go on, so do either.
I know, because, you know, yeah.
She
but
can't.
I'm actually
She can't
shy.
tell you about somebody else who is very, very shy.
She shy too?
No.
Simone shy?
Me.
You're shy?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Incredibly shy.
Yeah, I am for true. And people find it, you know, like strange, like you're so bubbly, you're so
Same thing they say
outgoing.
about me. But you
And
work
I'm
on
like,
TV, I say,
yeah,
but
I was
that's
like,
camera.
I don't know. My social battery tend to run out.
Girl,
quick.
girl.
And I need to just find my room and go in and go,
And there's no medication for that.
Question.
Copy.
One more. All right, last one.
I think I lost
If you could bring back a fashion trend, what would you bring back? Okay, the Rasta belt them. You remember them? We used to go high school, you used to wear your Rasta belt and you hang out one side or your little chain on the side, they itch it one side and the other.
Hey, bring it back.
Bring back.
You know what your name?
Belt.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
No, you know, I remember that so quick because I said that just last week, me driving a halfway tree and I said, remember we used to wear the Rasta
Bring
belt?
it back.
And hang out one
Watch me
part.
Monday with me
The
Rasta
Rasta belt. You can't wear it Monday,
Rasta
Friday.
belt and your little chain at the side.
More? Go on again.
One more. No, man, I'm not kidding. It's a
No,
pep.
you asked to stay.
The schools I picked for was Woolmer's. If you had a magic button to bring you whatever you wanted, what would it be? What would it summon? I would summon my pastor that died 6 years ago.
Oh, wow. That's a good one. Girl.
Good to see you, Mama.
Wait, before she
One
goes.
more, you want
Time
one
at the
more?
dawn. Time at the dawn. One more.
I think I lost my way.
What ice cream flavor sums up your personality?
Ice cream flavor.
Ice cream flavor? Rum and raisin.
No, Shelly.
Which one more? The raisin or the rum?
Rum!
The rum.
I'm not going to say a word about that answer. I want to ask you one question based on this picture. Guys, work with me, Vinny. So this was the last time you were here.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Listen, the last time I was
Picture.
here was with child. Simone, please to move the picture away from
No,
me.
because this is my question for
Please.
you.
From me?
It's not catching.
No.
It doesn't catching, Shell.
Flu season. Get it away.
What
Go away.
has motherhood been like, that journey? Because this was a while. How old is I now?
My son is 6 years old and he's watching. So hi Zion. Yes, he was like, Mom, where you going? Because he saw it running on the TV, so he's gonna watch it.
What has motherhood taught you about yourself?
Right now, I think before it was challenging, but I think even so more now.
Why?
For me, I think he's older, you know, he's involved with a lot more things. He wants to do go-kart, he's in football, he's in grade 1, so the work is a lot more intense and I'm not able to be there all the time because I'm still running, you know, and I think that's the part that I struggle with because I can't be there all the time to help with homework, but I do have Auntie Kay who comes in and help us with the homework and stuff, and everybody chips in. So that's the most challenging part, and I think for me, one of the biggest things I've learned right now and going through is I cannot allow society's pressure of who I am to help me raise my son.
Hey,
you know, my son is Zion-Pryce. I'm Shelly and Frazer-Pryce. He's his own individual and he's still a child, and I have to raise him, you know, in a way like he's an individual and he's gonna learn things along the way. And I don't want to influence that with who I am, you know, in the public. And I think that's the part that's been challenging for me so far because I want my son to go to school. Don't give no trouble, don't make no teacher call my phone, or, you know, all of that. So we're learning to navigate that as we go, and I think he's a great child, you know, very bright, does his work, and we're just there, you know, going through.
blessing.
Yeah,
Family's
it is a
blessing.
choice, you know,
Yeah.
every day.
Awesomeness.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Good luck at the Olympics.
Yeah, we don't need luck. We don't need luck. We need hard work and perseverance, and we'll get there.
Blessings.
Luck favors the unprepared, and we'll not be unprepared.
Hey.
So yeah. But thank you.
You should stay here the whole morning, you know?
Yeah. You can't invite me.
Guess us. Founder.
Invite me, please.
Rocket Foundation.
Let's make $1 million donation each month to the foundation.
Never have that in your pocket. Deep.
Yeah.
Deep pockets. Deep.
I know this.
Come on, kerchief in there and
Okay,
car key and all kind of
Yeah,
thing.
me take the care. Come, I know. You know it's a, you know.
All right.
We're going to wrap because We'll talk till next
Great to
week.
see you. Great to
Thank
see you.
you. Thanks for having me.
And God
Bye,
bless you and your-
Jamaica.
God bless you and your
Big up
family.
Waterhouse and Ashuka Road. Big up Woolman's Girls School. Yeah.
God bless you and your family.
And if you take the break, I can.
Coming up, folks, the 2023 Jamaica Red Bull Car Park Drift Champion. We've cut a hype Otti as he heads to the World Championship. So soon come. Stay with us, please.